everybody, I'm Larissa of Prodigal Pieces. I'm here to save you some stress. What I have here is a door that I found curbside. It is full of 4 or 5 layers of paint. Chipping it at it is not the way to go. So here is my favorite new tool, the HomeRite Heat Gun. It is not only super easy to use, but makes the job faster. Chipping doesn't do it, but this will take off layers of paint at a time. If you look here, there's a variety of nozzles. I am focusing on the heat concentrated nozzle, but there are instructions to show you exactly how to do it, and really there's no other way. Let me just give you an example. You can turn on the heat gun to 3 different settings. You can even adjust the temperature to the one that you want to get the job done. Let me show you how. What do you think? A little bit of DIY. Tools make all the difference in the world. We've got lots of texture going on here. Yes, I could have sanded it all down, but being that it was mixed woods, wouldn't have looked as well. I like the layers that it creates. The HomeRite tool made the job look so much faster. And not only that, but for about $55, I have a wonderful feature to my room. A little bit texture to create the farmhouse look that I love, and all done in a day. You really can't beat it. One thing I did learn was to increase my temperature, switch out nozzles. That made the job a little bit easier. But based on the budget that we work on, this is the way we feel is the best way to go. And not only that, it creates a home story, something that is truly your own. I hope you've enjoyed our tutorial.